everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will talk about how Apple explained why MacBook Pro only has 8 GB. So let's get started. Apple has explained that the decision to limit the MacBook Pro to 8 GB of RAM is based on a balance between performance, power efficiency, and thermal management. They assert that by optimizing macOS and the hardware components such as the processor and solid state drive, users can still achieve high levels of performance and multitasking capabilities without requiring more RAM. Additionally, Apple emphasizes the importance of maintaining a slim and lightweight design, which may necessitate certain trade off in terms of component selection. Ultimately, Apple contends that the MacBook Pro's performance is not solely determined by the amount of RAM but rather by the holistic integration of hardware and software optimizations. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.